Hi, hello, welcome to my channel TechShe. This is Saujanya. I am here to present my interview experience of DRDL JRF Research Assistant. I have gone through this interview in 2018. This interview is very great experience that is very different. I have written the JRF exam in 2017. JRF notification and eligibility is you have to qualify the gate to write that JRF exam. I qualified GATE 2014 and GATE 2012 also. After completion of my MTech, I worked as a project associate in NIT Warangal. After that, I have gone through this notification about DRDL JRF, Junior Research Fellowship. I have applied that job in 2017. I have written that in November 2017. I qualified that exam. In shortlist, my name came. I am very tense to attempt that interview, Junior Research Fellowship interview. I have gone through that interview. They asked me about interested subjects. What are your interested subject? They asked me. I told digital electronics and electronic devices and circuits. At that time, I already worked as a assistant professor in engineering college. That's why I told that I taught digital electronics there. That's why I have told those subjects. They asked me some basic questions in digitals. What are the universal gates and how many NAND and NOR gates to implement XOR and XNOR gates. They asked me draw the NOT gate with the use of NAND gates. Some basic questions. If you prepared for the gate, you can easily answer those questions. There are 7 members in the interview panel. One is from HR team and 3 are from different subjects. One is to observe your behavior. Have you confident? They will look. That was very great experience. I entered into the room with, excuse me sir. They said, come on Saujanya, sit there. I sat on the chair with confidence, straightforward. Their first question is introduce yourself. I introduce myself from my education and experience details, my family details, all I mentioned in the introduction part. After that, they gone through those questions of subject related things. After that, they asked, HR person asked one question like they will check your answering skills, that there is a one situation like 5 accidents has came. There is one children in that fire accident and you are also in the same situation. Whom you will save first? They asked me. I told first I will save myself. After that I can save the child. I answered that situation like that. They asked me about my experience, why you left that job, like that they asked. I told that is the only 6 months project, sir. 6 months completed, that's why I left. They asked me, what are the subjects you taught in engineering college and any projects you have handled there, they asked. I told I handled major and mini projects as a project manager, I told them. They asked me about my project I did in NIT Warangal, that is the design of CDMA transfer using kinetic spread spectrum. What are the softwares you have used there? And what is your responsibilities there? They asked me. I told clearly, without any fear, with confidence. My interview was around 45 minutes. After completion of the interview, I told, thank you, sir. And with my tension, I left my pen there. They told, no. Actually, I didn't take in my pen. They only gave me pen and paper. With tension, I have taken the pen from there. They told, that pen is ours. I smiled and kept there, sorry sir, and left the room. That is my interview experience of DRDL JRF. They announced the result after 1 month. I didn't qualified that interview. Means I have not selected. I am very upset. I have attempted the interview very well, but I didn't got qualified. I left that as it is and went into my normal work. After 3-4 months, means in 2018 March, I got the call like you are selected in DRDL as a consultant research assistant. That sir told that second list has kept, in that your name was there. I was very shocked and very excited. I told, yes sir. He mentioned that, congratulations Saujanya, you have been selected as a consultant research assistant in DRDL. Are you interested? He asked. I said, yes sir. You have to join on April 1st, he said. Okay sir, I will join, I said. After that I got the mail, call letter from DRDL. I will show you that call letter. See, this is the call letter. I have selected as a consultant research assistant in Advanced Naval System Program. ANSP is a one lab in DRDL. This lab is located in RCI campus, Research Center, Imrat. I was very happy by seeing this call letter. I have selected as a research assistant in DRDL. To Srimati Velugu Saujanya. We are pleased to inform that you are selected as consultant research assistant at ANSP DRDL Hyderabad on contract basis. Please observe this. This is the contract basis job, 3 years from the date of joining. During this period, either side can terminate the contract with 2 months of notice period. They can terminate the contract or you can terminate the contract with 2 months of notice period. Consultant Research Assistant post monthly 31,000 including HRA. This is the insurance 7,000 per annum they will give. My joining date is on 2nd April 2018. They told that certificates you have to take for verification, police verification, photograph, photo ID. I reported to the DRDL ANSP RCS campus on 2nd April 2018. I worked as a consultant research assistant there for 2 years. After that, I only terminated the contract because of some health issues for me. All the faculty and scientists are very helpful and they told me don't go out. I only terminated the contract. After that, I got the experience letter. With experience letter, I left the job. I am very upset at that time because of health issues. I left that job. But friends, please be utilize this opportunity now. Presently, JRF and research assistant notification came. You please go through the notification and apply and attempt well. This time no written exam, only interview. So please be prepared well and attempt the interview. All the best. Only you have to prepare your interested subjects very well. And about your projects, they will mainly focus on your projects, main and mini projects. If you did MTech also, they will concentrate on your major project only. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. I will give reply as early as possible. All the best. Thank you.